Hi everyone, my name is Daniel. I'm working for Red Hat as a developer advocate, with specializing on cloud-native runtime such as Quarkus and then Spring Boot and JavaScript as well. I've been spending a lot of time putting more Java application into Kubernetes, specifically public cloud, for in terms of the serverless and then service mesh and then GitOps and Argo City, things like that. So I'm super happy to attend Java Day Istanbul in May. So if you are planning to attend the Java Day Istanbul, please feel free to join my hands-on workshop, enter serverless function journey with the Quarkus. So I'm pretty sure a lot of developer and Java developer already heard about and then have some experience with the Quarkus before. So this hands-on workshop, we're going to walk you through how to start your serverless function development with the Java framework. But it's not only just one-time development. Once you develop serverless function with the Quarkus, you can make agnostic the Java serverless function into multiple serverless platforms such as Microsoft Azure Function and then Azure, the Amazon Lambda and also Google Function, even also your on-prem Kubernetes with Knative project. You can also learn how to optimize using Java framework and Java serverless function with the Quarkus with the native compilation. So this is a huge impact for Java developer because your company keep moving forward to multiple serverless platform based on a hybrid cloud strategy. So how to handle to deploy multiple environment for your same application. So this workshop and hands-on experience will teach you how to address the kind of make it agnostic and portable Java serverless function into multiple serverless platform. That's it. Looking forward to seeing you in Java Days Istanbul in May. Have a great rest of the day.